vying on Pep, and I bought the idea of the party leader at that time, Moses, who sold me the idea, and it was a good idea. It was an idea of bringing together the Mount Kenya region, for us to have a party that we can go negotiate with it in the next incoming government. Because instead of us being divided, why don't we go as one? And I sold that idea. It was a brilliant idea. I believed it, and I believed in him until the day I woke up Monday before submitting a paperwork to IEBC, and I saw on social media that I'm no longer a PEP candidate. And I thought it was fake news. So when I tried to submit my paperwork to IEBC, that's when I learned that there actually has been drafted a letter from the SG of PEP, and I was withdrawn as a candidate. And till today, I don't know what happened. I've never communicated with Moses. I tried calling him, he never answered. And I don't have a problem with him because that's bygones are bygones, and everything happens for a reason. I didn't drop out. I was dropped out. So, till today, that reason I'm not very sure. And my former party leader has never explained to me that. It's just a few weeks ago that I came to learn that he wasn't the party leader, because the people that Pep belongs to say that Moses is not the party member. Not the party owner. So I was left out in the cold. Majority of my people were also upset, and I have a big following in Kiambaa, and they were hurt, and it was very painful for all of us. Even for me, it was painful. Not because I'm not going to be the next MP, but it is what I was going to do for the people. And I know majority of them will follow where I'm going. But at the end of the day, it's everyone's decision.